Hello class 9, welcome to another video. Here is another video for you where we are going to discuss about types of society. We have already discussed about the development of society in previous video. Today we are going to discuss about types of society. Okay, we have discussed like different phases of human society and development. Yes, its phases and different phases, and with different definition of anthropologist and sociologist. So society has been classified into different types on various bases. जस्तै हामीले in class 6, in class 7 we have already discussed different phases of human society, like primitive to modern society को कुरा गरेका थियौं. Even in previous video we already discussed about it. So generally society is classified on the basis of level of development and technology. Like different technology को आधारमा, development basis को आधारमा चाहिँ societies are classified. जस्तै very primitive age was called hunting or stone age. Yes, जहाँ चाहिँ there were no discoveries of fire or languages were not developed. हैन, एकदम very primitive age थियो. जस्तै अहिले हामी modern age मा छौं. So on the basis of level of development and technology, the society has been classified, or on the basis of livelihood of people, like the way of living of people, or culture, language, religion, or other inequalities. हो, तिनीहरुको आधारमा चाहिँ सोसाइटी क्लासिफाइड भएको छ. जस्तै English anthropologist Sir Edward Burnett Taylor has classified society into nomadic society, barbarian society, and civilized society. हो, सोसाइटी जसरी क्लासिफाइड गरे पनि हामीले पढेको के हो त, हन्टिङ एन्ड ग्यादरिङ सोसाइटी, एनिमल रेयरिङ सोसाइटी, एग्रिकल्चरल सोसाइटी. सो डिफरेन्ट एन्थ्रोपोलोजिस्ट have classified society into different bases, तर सबैको meaning similar छ. Likewise, sociologist Gerhard Lenski, he differentiates societies into hunters and gatherers society, simple agricultural society, advanced agricultural society, industrial society, and spatial society. Similarly, Karl Marx has classified it into hunting and gathering society, pastoral society, feudal society, capitalist society, and socialist society. So different name दिए पनि के रहेछ त, सोसाइटी त आखिर त्यही हामीले पढेको हन्टिङ एन्ड ग्यादरिङ एज नै रहेछ, जसलाई स्टोन एज भनिन्छ. जस्तै barbarian age or agricultural age, then animal rearing, horticultural, and industrial, and modern age. So यसरी different phases मा differently society has been classified. So classification of society on the basis, there are different bases, like on the basis of economy, on the basis of language, on the basis of settlement, religion, time, etc. In your message, society has been classified. Like on the basis of economy, the capitalist society, socialist society, and mixed society. Capitalist society ma ke huncha? It is an economic system based on the private ownership of the means and production, and their operation is for profit, to gain profit. फाइदा लिने हिसाबले हैन बनेको इकोनोमिक बेसिसमा फर्म भएको सोसाइटी जसले इकोनोमिकको कुरा गर्छ हो क्यापिटलको कुरा गर्छ त्यो क्यापिटलिस्ट सोसाइटी देन सोशलिस्ट सोसाइटी सोशल फेनोमेनाको कुरा गर्छ हो देन मिक्स सोसाइटी लाइकवाइज अन द बेसिस अफ ल्याङ्ग्वेज भाषाहरू बिस्तारै डेभलप हुँदै गयो सो अन द बेसिस अफ ल्याङ्ग्वेज लाइक युनिलिङ्गुअल सोसाइटी हैन स्पिकिङ ओन्ली वान ल्याङ्ग्वेज जहाँ जुन सोसाइटीमा चाहिँ एउटा मात्र भाषा बोलिन्छ देन बायोलिङ्गुअल सोसाइटी स्पिकिङ 2 ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस फ्लुएन्टली हैन दुईटा भाषाहरू बोलिन्छ त्यस्तै मल्टिलिङ्गुअल सोसाइटी युजिङ सेभरल ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस फर एन एक्जाम्पल नेपाल हो नेपाल इज अ सोसाइटी वेयर मल्टिपल ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस आर स्पोकन हैन मोर देन 123 ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस आर स्पोकन इन नेपाल सो मल्टिलिङ्गुअल सोसाइटी सिमिलरली on the basis of settlement human settlement rural society and urban society गाउँ र सहर on the basis of settlement human settlement likewise on the basis of religion हैन धर्मको आधारमा पनि सोसाइटी क्लासिफाइड भएको रहेछ जस्तै हिन्दू सोसाइटी बुद्धिस्ट सोसाइटी मुस्लिम सोसाइटी Christian society, etc. on the basis of religion. Likewise, and on the basis of time, time duration को आधारमा पनि society has been classified like ancient society जुन हामीले primitive society भनेर पढ्यौं त्यस्तै medieval society के जहाँ rearing animal society पर्छ horticultural पर्छ agricultural society पर्छ then modern society प्रेजेन्ट सोसाइटी जुन अहिलेको छ साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी हैन इन्डस्ट्रिजहरू खुलेका छन् सो अन द बेसिस अफ टाइम हो त्यसको आधारमा पनि के रहेछ सोसाइटी हैज बीन क्लासिफाइड सो दी सोसाइटीज हैव बीन क्लासिफाइड according to subsistence categories or strategies or in the ways human use technologies to fulfill their needs and जस्तै hunting society मा stones were used as their weapons or त्यसपछि बिस्तारै different technologies were developed हैन अहिले बिस्तारै त्यसपछि steam engine then पेट्रोल डिजेल हुँदै अहिले हामी मोडर्न एजमा आइपुगिसकेका छौं डिफरेन्ट टेक्नोलोजिज हैज बीन डिस्कभर्ड हो सो on the basis of different bases yes society has been classified okay I will see you on next video till then stay home stay safe